Hi, I'm Vicky Pauliatar. I've been dancing for like 9 years since 2008, and I've been teaching for 4 years. I formed a group around 2013 named Philippines Dance Republic. So, binuo ko siya primarily to have an all-girls group, pero we ended up with a co-ed group. So, I'm 25. So, I grew up here in Baguio, and I had lots of training from different crews and different teachers. Siyempre, siguro most dancers naman. Dancing started in my room, talaga. Definitely, yun talaga yung parang, oh my God, it's where I discovered my potential din. And then parang the feeling get even better and better. So after that, high school yun, I transferred at Bonifacio Annex. There, I started dancing and having crewmates then na very inspired. At that time kasi, ang peak crew nun is, yung pinaka-popular was Jabberwock. So sila yung group na parang, sila yung group na nag-inspire sa amin na to start a crew and dance. And then from there, I started dancing lang na parang yun nga, nakakopya pa, medyo bite-bite pa ganun. Kasi parang we have so little knowledge to dance, and then we have no teachers around to teach us talaga. And when I moved to college, they gave me an honorary scholarship sa UC Dance Squad. So from there, everything got really serious. So when I got to UC, I was able to be trained in gymnastics, in jazz, a lot of jazz, a little bit of cheering, pero I'm more part of the dance performing group kasi malaki ang UC Dance. So then, after UC Dance Squad, I discovered a new crew named Genuine Crew. So we've worked in a project. We became a part of one gig for Float, and then from there I got interested in joining their group kasi nakita ko na they're one of the unique and flavorful kind of crew. So parang I would like to fit in and to really learn from them. And then from Genuine Crew, I learned urban dance and a little bit of flavor pa before kasi it's the first kind of dance that they had. And then we've been competing outside talaga, as in mga dance competitions in Baguio and in GMA, mga ganun. And then after Genuine Crew, I met a lot of dancers, a lot of teachers, a lot of choreographers. I was introduced to different crews. So parang I was able to expose myself in different kind of style. And then from there, I was able to discover my own interest. So I was able to come up with my own crew. Sabi ko parang, I think Baguio needs a new crew that would offer a different kind of style. And then from there, I started to come up with choreographies of Fem and everything. And then nabuo kami and everything. And then from there hanggang ngayon, been training and been learning a lot, but continuous pa rin. Passion is doing what you love. And then from there, you learn to share that kind of love. You learn to invest in that kind of love. Kasi passion is not strong right away. Hindi naman agad na, sobrang love na and everything. Minsan natututunan mo siya as you discover dance, your passion strengthens din. Hindi siya consistent kind of feeling. Okay? And then passion for me is what helped me go through the things, the very difficult times and tough times talaga, to beat the odds of trying to discover yourself, overcoming those challenges as a dancer. Kasi my biggest challenge before was gaining my confidence. It took me like more than 5 years. 5 years of bashing myself, thinking myself so small, ganun. And then, dahil sa best friend ko, siya yung talagang tumulong sa akin to discover my own potential. So I think passion is something na It's an everyday thing that you have to develop to. For me, passion can be gone eh. Passion can die. Pwede rin yan. Pero passion can grow big, so big, na talaga you can able, it gives you the ability to touch other people's lives. So. Number one is to really know themselves kung bakit nila gusto yung dance. Kasi parang for me, there could be a lot of reasons for you to dance. It doesn't have to be like, oh, you have a big dream or what. Some dancers just want to have fun. Some dancers just want to like experience the dance and nothing more. Or exercise yung iba to get fit. And sad to say, but some people use dance to just make themselves look better, have the image and everything. Well, not bad at all, pero if you want something out of dance, it boils down to what you intend to do in the dance industry. So for me, it's trying to discover us early. It doesn't have to be definite na para kaka-start mo lang alam mo na yung gusto mong gawin. Kasi it's an everyday exploration eh. Pero you have to make sure na what your intentions are something that would benefit you and others. So that's one. Kasi that would help you come up with a good mindset in how you could learn, how you could share, and then how you could affect people with your dancing. And then second, you have to realize that it's not gonna be overnight talaga. Ang daming estudyante, marami akong nagiging estudyante na there's so many fear. You know that the love for dance is there, but the problem is the intimidation, the fear from being judged is always there. Kasi parang yun na, they're not as great as the dancers they see. Kasi they're starting pa lang. As early as now, just do your thing. Definitely kasi one thing na mindset na meron kami as dancers is if you really love the dance, definitely you should know inside na in time, by just keep on dancing and learning, you'll get there. You don't need to like, oh, ito ang galing and everything. Kasi that person definitely spent a lot of years training and learning din. So parang, since you're starting pa, you really have to grow your own seed pa, your own plant. You have to nurture it until you become that kind of person na yung level na gusto mo achieve sa dance. And then third advice ko is to really have fun with the dance. Kasi parang nowadays, it's social media era, so everybody sees a million views from other dancers. They see the appreciation they get. Yung mga tao talagang on the top na, the love they get and everything. Yes, there's so many things you can get from dance, but having fun, continuously loving it is what's gonna let you dance in the long run. Parang ganun. Hindi pwedeng, gusto kong ganito, million views, ginawa ganyan. Gusto ko na parang mag-wow mga tao sa akin, everything. Lahat ng tayo gusto natin yun eh, pero parang ang una natin isipin to have fun kasi definitely yun yung isang reason kung bakit tayo sumasayaw.
Hey you, can I learn your flavor? It's brand new. Now it's in the papers, all I seem to see. Must be something underneath. Take two. I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, 'cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the hate with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy, you bet I'ma
That's it, Brian?
Yes.
Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room. Bet I'm a trendsetter too. Bulletproof, on another level ahead of the crew. Select never settles, it only gets better the more you see. Powerful and free, confidence is key. So watch me figure it out. It's all about what you bring to the crowd, where your preference is loud. They're calling me over, set your fire on me, like what I see you getting closer. Hey, trendsetter, see your fire when the strobe hits you. I didn't see who you came with. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room. I dare you play your cards, boy. You bet I'm a trendsetter.